The holiday season is upon us, and whether you're entertaining or just looking to celebrate, there are a few apps that can help you add to the celebration. Hi, I'm Krystin Goowin with Buzz60, and here are a few of the best apps for the holiday season. I love the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and guess what? There's an app for that. Yes, you can follow all the parade action right from your mobile device. Get updates and pics of your favorite floats and performances. And you can even transform yourself into a Macy's balloon. Just snap a photo of yourself and choose an outfit. This is pretty hilarious and fun for the whole family. Keep up with your holiday calendar wherever you are with the Holiday app. Track upcoming events, calculate your work days, and keep up with how many days you have available to take off and celebrate. Then you can export your finds into your iCal calendar. If you're hosting any sort of holiday party, check out the Thanksgiving Bon Appetit app with recipes and tons of cooking tips. This is a helpful app for entertaining, from how-to videos on how to bake a turkey to bourbon maple pumpkin pie. So take on the holiday season with apps and upgrade your celebration with tech. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.